I am going to show you how to sign in on YouTube on a smart TV using a phone. In this video, we are using the TCL Google TV for illustration. So first of all, you're going to have to make sure that you open the YouTube app on the TV, in the smart TV. You'll see this option of sign in with your phone. And then on the right hand side, you see this QR code. Okay, scan QR code. See that? So get your mobile phone, the phone, okay, open the camera app, and please make sure that you're signed in on YouTube on the phone. Now get the phone, use the camera app, make sure you scan this QR code. The link that is actually presented from the QR code, make sure you tap the link, okay? Tap the link, and when you tap the link, it will bring you this part, sign in YouTube on TV. Then the account, you see the part of continue as, that one right there, tap right there. Now this will actually be shown. You see this code, please make sure that this code is the same as the one being shown on the TV right there, that code down there. So you tap on continue. Now when you tap on continue, this comes up, choose an account, please select that account right there, the one that you have, okay, right there. Then tap allow. You can see you are now signed into the TV right there. So check what is happening on the smart TV, and you've been able to sign in on YouTube on the smart TV using your phone.